Hi, George Sanders here, President, Goldcliff Resource Corporation. Our last several videos have been concerning our recently completed work at the Kettle Valley Gold-Silver Project near Rock Creek, British Columbia. And prior to that, we had a number of videos shot from and outlining our work at the Ainsworth Silver property in the Kootenay district of southeastern British Columbia. Today what we'd like to do is give you a quick summary of those two programs from the point of view of our rationale for conducting them at this time, the value that we believe they've added to the company, and the position that they put the company in going forward. So at the Ainsworth Silver Project, we have in the southern western end a concentration of high-grade silver that was historically mined, the most of which that was mined in the district. And so our program was designed to find more of that style of mineralization, hidden but near surface pods and lenses of high grade, all from the perspective of the direct shipping business model. So that was a successful program, and we await from the lab all of our geochemical sampling results. While we wait on those, we have been brainstorming about the source of the Ainsworth mineralization. BC MinFile documents approximately 70 silver showings, prospect excavations, and small mines in the Ainsworth district. So when we see that, we say there's some kind of powerful mineralizing system at work here for all of this surface mineralization. Where did it come from, and where are the targets at depth? So we are brainstorming how we might apply various exploration methodologies to test for those deeper buried sources of mineralization, and how we might undertake that on a limited budget. Because while we're very excited about the direct shipping model, we think it fits very well in a junior company platform. It is the bigger, deeper source of mineralization that will attract major mining companies to the Ainsworth district. At Kettle Valley, this is a drill permitted property. We drilled it in 2022, a maiden drill program. We set up at a lower elevation and drilled angle holes. We reached basement. We are now of a valid opinion that we drilled underneath or below the area of prospective mineralization. So the new drill pads about which we spoke in our previous videos are up on top of the ridge and will allow us to drill a number of short holes to test a level of geology that has yet to be tested at the Kettle Valley Project. And importantly, because those are already there, we can execute a drill program there on very short notice. Any of you watching a video like this about a junior resource company will know that we have been in a prolonged bear market. Share prices in maybe not all, but most companies are at a very low level. They're very depressed. More importantly, there has been a dearth of new capital coming into the sector. So it presents some very obvious and real challenges for all of us doing business in the junior resource space. In the spring, our board undertook a series of brainstorming conversations to try and determine some way to advance at least part of our portfolio and at the same time not destroy our capital structure, not dilute our existing shareholders. And out of those conversations, we derived a plan whereby management and the board could come up with funding, a certain level of funding, and then we asked the geologic members of the team to construct programs around those budgets and that's what we've just executed, that's what we've just done. Any student of the junior resource space, of the history of junior exploration companies, will tell you that the greatest leverage in the valuation of these companies occurs when a company takes a project from idea level, from geologic model, geologic concept to discovery. And by leverage, I mean the greatest percent share increase. Once a discovery is made, if it turns out to be the real deal and goes all the way, there are several thresholds of upward valuation in the value of the company, but the most dramatic, the biggest leverage occurs at that discovery stage. And the programs that we undertook on these two assets, Ainsworth Silver and the Kettle Valley Epithermal Project, put us much closer to that discovery level. So both of these assets are now in a position for further work, getting closer to a discovery stage as soon as markets improve.